Imagine this. You think your biggest expense is rent, your car, or groceries. It's not. And here's the scary part, you don't even see it leaving your pocket. It's the sneaky thief silently robbing your future while you sleep. Once you learn to catch him, you'll keep more money in your life than you ever thought possible. This isn't just a money tip, it's a survival skill for your wallet. Because this thief doesn't just steal once. He keeps coming back, year after year, draining thousands from your life without a sound. This is for the finance freaks, the freedom chasers, and anyone tired of feeling broke despite working hard. By the end, you'll see exactly where your money is leaking, and you'll know how to plug every hole. But to stop him, we have to face him head-on. Step 1. Meet the thief. Interest is simply the price you pay to borrow money. But it's more than just a small number hidden in a contract, it's the reason you end up paying double for your car or triple for your house. Take this. Borrow $300,000 for a house at 6% interest over 30 years, and you'll hand over more than $347,000 in interest alone. That's like buying a second house for your bank. And the moment you realize this, you've already taken your first step toward keeping more of your own hard-earned money. Now, here's how this thief sneaks in without you noticing. Step 2. How the thief sneaks in. Interest hides in plain sight. You rarely see it as one big charge, it's buried inside your payments, so it feels painless. Credit cards. They might charge 20% or more, meaning a $1,000 balance can drag on for years if you only pay the minimum. Loans. The bank gets paid first. You get the scraps. The day you spot how it's built into your payments, you'll feel like you've just caught someone stealing from your wallet in slow motion. But the real trick the thief uses is something powerful and dangerous called compound interest. Step 3. Compound interest. The double-edged sword. Compound interest is the most powerful force in money, and it doesn't care if it works for you or against you. When you owe, it compounds against you, you pay interest on interest, and the debt snowballs. When you invest, it compounds for you, your money earns more money over time. The wealthy make it work for them, while most people unknowingly let it work for the bank. The moment you flip this sword in your favor, you turn the tables. And banks know this, which is why they use another sneaky trick to keep you paying. Step 4. The illusion of affordable payments. Only $299 a month. Sounds harmless, right? That's the trap. They make the payment small so you don't think about the total cost. But in reality, that affordable payment could mean paying thousands more in interest than the item's worth. Once you see the full number, you'll never fall for it again. And this illusion works so well that credit card companies have mastered it. Step 5. Credit card trap. Credit cards can be a useful tool, but minimum payments are poison. If you owe $5,000 at 20% interest and pay only the minimum, you could be stuck for over 20 years and end up paying more than double what you borrowed. When you realize you could have used that money for your dreams instead of the bank's profits, it stings. And just when you think you're safe, another familiar trap is waiting. The auto loan. Step 6. Auto loan addiction. Car dealers know you shop by monthly payment, not total cost. So they stretch the loan from 4 years to 7, make the payment look smaller, and collect thousands more in interest. Then they tempt you to trade in before you're done paying, locking you into a cycle that never ends. Breaking out of that cycle means saving huge amounts, and the same principle applies to the biggest loan most people ever take: the mortgage. Step 7. Mortgage madness. Your mortgage isn't just a house payment. It's a long-term interest deal. On a 30-year loan at 6%, you could pay for 2 houses but only live in one. Switching to bi-weekly payments or refinancing could cut years off your term and save you tens of thousands. Imagine finishing your mortgage early and owning your home outright. That's a freedom most people never taste. But before you can get there, you need to actually track down this thief in LE. Step 8. How to catch the thief. The first step to catching interest is shining a light on it. Write down every debt you have, the interest rate, and the total you'll pay if you stick to your current plan. When you see the numbers, the thief becomes real, and you'll never ignore him again. From there, you can take the most powerful step of all, turning interest into something that works for you. Step 9. Flip the script. Instead of paying interest, start earning it. Invest early and invest consistently. When your money compounds for you, the thief becomes your employee, working day and night to grow your wealth. Even small amounts can explode over time, giving you a future that feels limitless. And the best way to make this shift permanent is by building one simple habit. Step 10. Pay yourself first. Every dollar you save from interest is a dollar you can put to work for you. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investments as soon as you get paid. This way, you build wealth before the thief even knocks on your door. Do this long enough, and you won't just have money, you'll have security, freedom, and peace of mind. Interest is the sneakiest thief you'll ever meet, but now you know his game, his traps, and how to flip him into an ally. From this day forward, he can grow your wealth instead of stealing it. But if you really want to destroy his power completely, there's one more thing you need to know. Because the thief's favorite playground is debt. And in our next video, the 7-day debt destroy plan, I'll show you exactly how to wipe out your debt fast, reclaim your freedom, and keep every dollar for yourself. It's the final step in locking your financial doors for good, and you don't want to miss it.